Greetings from Santa Rosa. Is this still Cavite?
Laguna.
Oh, Santa Rosa, Laguna, Philippines. Laguna is for my dad is from Louisiana, Laguna. This is the Santa Rosa Nike outlets. Let's see what they got, and maybe we'll get Rochi something. Maybe we'll get something for myself as well. We'll see what kicks they have, what clothes they have. It's a pretty big store, so let's see what's here. Very nice. Let's go inside. Welcome. How you doing, sir? Oh, so this is the women's side. Bless you. And that's the men's side. So tons of selection though. Look at the wall. Crazy. It's a pretty big store here. So let's see what they got. You have all kinds of shoes here. A lot of J's too. A lot of J's, Dunks. See, they got J's here. They got a big selection here. Ooh, let's see what they got here. Gore-Tex. Hey, Gore-Tex. Women's Juniper Trail. What are these? These look like twos. Ooh, okay. So some of them are discounted here. 3,000 discounted all the way from 8,000 to 3,000. So yeah, pretty good deals here. Not bad. Not gonna lie, not bad. Ooh, those are hard. 3 ends for 7,000 pesos from 83. 8 DNs for the jug. Good selection here. Air Max 10 and 8.5. These are nice. What's the price on here? 5,004. So like some of them are retail, some of them are discounted. So we'll just, browse for a long time because they got a lot of shoes here. And we'll see what we come out with. Alright. Collection of J's too. Got the satin joints, 9,000. You know what I'm saying? They got some J's here. Red 5s. They got the Ama Manier 3s. But yeah, it's retail. 11,008. I did sell mines. I sold mines. Yeah, I had these, but I sold them. But I don't think they have your size though. They only have small sizes. Yeah, only small sizes. Whoa.
That's so tight.
It's tight. But that's too big. They only go by full sizes. So 8, 9. So 4,795 for the reimagined Royals. Pretty good deal. Looks like youth sizes only. Grade school. Still not bad. They got the Huffs too. They got the Huffs. It's 8,000 though. So like pretty much retail. They got the Huffs. The green pair. They got a cool amount of Air Maxes too. Air Maxes. They also have they got Tailwinds here. They got these Tailwinds as well. Nice colorway. How much? 8,000. Not bad. You know what I'm saying? Good selection here. So I came up on these. 5,001. So less than $100. Check these out. The gum bottom P6000s. Wow, got suede on it. Suede leather mesh, bruh. These are hard. I've never seen this colorway, so I'm probably getting these. I'll wear these for work. P6000s. Do you have a 12 in these? 12? Because they only have 11 here. Bruh, this colorway is crazy. And it's cheaper at 41. Super hard. Super hard. 85 metallic 1 lows. Priced at, give me a second here. 9,003. They are 10% off at 8,004. Size 13. I will think about these. These are not bad. 8,003. Let me do the conversion and we'll see if I come out with them. Such a dope store. Check out Nike outlets in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Super dope selection of clothes and shoes. I'm gonna show y'all my haul later on. But yeah, look how deep it goes. It goes all the way down there. Super sick. Yeah, make sure to stop by, man. They got good discounts on a lot of stuff. And yeah, we got a pretty nice haul for today. So it's gonna be a nice episode. I'll show you guys everything I caught at the store. Pretty dope over here, man. Pretty nice outlet compared to the States, compared to the Bay Area, California. Like the outlet here is way better. Let's say like 10 times better. They even got me some Jordans in the back. Like I asked if they had Jordan retros in the back in my size, and they were able to bring out some pairs. So yeah, man, pretty cool. Any 13s anymore, but yeah, appreciate them for bringing these out for me to check out. Super dope. I already sold my 2 pairs of these. But yeah, 11s are cool, but they're hard to wear. They're very delicate. But yeah, thank you, Nike Santa Rosa, for bringing these out for me. We just finished that Santa Rosa Nike outlet in Santa Rosa, Laguna. And yeah, I did spend a lot of money, but we will go through every single item I purchased. Shout out to Rochi for giving me 15% off of a lot of the items that we purchased in the store. There had to be 3 different transactions because there was the items that were discounted, and then 2 more transactions for
Not included for discount.
yeah, not included for discount, which was her slides and then my Jordan 1 Low 85s. And then there was a promotion, like if I were to spend $9,300 for the Jordan 1 Lows, it would come with a free pair of shoes.
Regular size in 3,000.
Yeah, regular price of 3,400 pesos. So I gave that pair to her, and they had a size 8 in men's. And then yeah, it was either that or get the discounted rate for the Jordan 1 Lows at 8,300. So yeah, all in all, I probably spent around like $500 US. We'll do all the, the calculations at the house. So yeah, we'll head to the house, and then yeah, we'll continue the video there. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Hello everybody. This is the last part of the Santa Rosa Nike Outlet Factory Store video. We're gonna show you what we hauled in, what we have purchased. 3 separate transactions here. So there are 3 different receipts. So let me explain to y'all what we bought and how much everything costed. So P6000 for Rochi, size 7.5 women, or 7.5 men, 9 women. Colorway reads Cave Stone / Metallic Silver. So these were 4,195 pesos from 4,995 pesos. These were cheaper than the P6000 that I purchased as well. So pretty good deal. They only had a size 11 was the biggest, so I couldn't get my size. I really like this colorway also. So this one I don't think was on a discount. Let me see. So 4,195. Yes, so it did come out to 41.95. So this is Rochi's P6000. Very comfortable shoe. Overall, I have used these for work. I have 3 pairs myself. With the shirts, so these came at an extra discount because Rochi has her birthday in the month of April. So I think Nike does not have, you cannot scan your Nike Pass. So if you have a Nike Pass and you have like a half birthday, 10% off, whatever, they cannot scan your Nike Pass. Her birthday member, it says member birthday sale, you get an extra 15% off of the total amount of, like items that are qualified for the extra 15% off. So some items did not have the extra 15% off. So if the item is like super discounted already, like some of the shoes, I think I think I got 2 jerseys that were like 70% off, so those didn't qualify for the extra 15% off, and the Jordans that I got were not qualified as well. So I did get a P6000 as well. Size 12, colorway reads flax/flax dash metallic gold dash sail, size 12. These did come in at a smooth 5,195 pesos. So these did also qualify for the extra 15% off for Rochi's birthday. So shout out to Rochi for being born in April. Shout out to April babies. And this is the Flax P6000. They are a little bit more expensive, 5,195, but the materials are different. They do have a suede on it, which is different from her colorway. And you know, there are suede here all over the shoe, as you can see. Pretty dope colorway. Crazy discounted price. I know like jerseys are like 150 retail in the US. These were not included in the extra 15% off. San Francisco Curry jersey, dude, super sick. Like insane. These Curry jerseys I had to get. I don't know why they were so cheap. I don't know if like the Philippines doesn't like Steph Curry. There's a lot of LeBron fans in the Philippines. So yeah, shout out to Steph Curry doing their thing against the Rockets. You see that 3-pointer falling to the right? Jalen Green just draped all over him, like fading to the right, super rainbow, like swish, like insane. Like Steph Curry and Jimmy Butler and Draymond Green, I believe that they will have a good run this year. So good luck to the Warriors. This jersey, the Golden State, I don't know if this was the City jersey or whatever from last year, but also at 33,795 pesos. Insane steal, like crazy. Like $60 a jersey, sign me up. Like jerseys are 150 for retail in the Bay, so super discount. I think it was 70% off. Okay, let's show you guys all the other clothing, which did include the 15% off from Rochi. So Nike polo, super plain, like black polo, super nice, just has the Nike embroidery on there. 1,295. So this also came with an extra 30% off, or 15, I'm sorry. 15% off, 12.95 pesos. Super nice. It fit as well. Try them on. Double X, standard fit at knee length, like cotton shorts. Very nice material, very soft. Double XL. They are a cargo style kind of shorts. So they do have buttons on the cargo pockets as well. The Nike embroidery there. So these did come at 1,395 pesos. This item was also included in the extra 15% off. Rochi did also get a pair of Benassi slides. So give me a second here. The Benassi slides. So they were black, just like mine, but had like, they're like these. These are her new slides. These had to be purchased separately because yeah, these did not qualify for the extra 15%. So these did, they came out to 1,275 pesos. So it's a little bit, it's around 20 bucks. The discounted items had to be on one receipt, and then, you know, the slides had to be on another receipt, and then my Jordans and the Court Royales had to be on a separate receipt. So 3 different transactions here. So I did cop a pair of J's, Air Jordan 1 Low, 85, size 13, metallic blue, Jordan 1 Low, 85s. These did come in at 8,395. So let me tell you what the deal was. So I had to pay the regular price, 9,395, because it did come with a deal. The deal was I pay 8,395 and you don't get a free pair of shoes, but if you pay the 9,395, you get a free pair of Port Royales. So I hooked up Rochi with another pair of shoes. So like for free, like that's like another what, 1,000? Yeah, it's additional 1,000 for, but like $1,000, it's like $17 for this pair of shoes. But the you know, they were on sale for $19.95. but the original price here is $3,095. So like, you know, it was on sale for $19.95, but you know, I got them for $1,000. So pretty much, you know, pretty good deal. Port Royale's colorway is black/white, size 8, because you know, I think she's a 7.5 men's, but they were a little too tight on her, so got her at 8 men's. Okay, so the Jordans and her Port Royales, a total of $9,395 and 0.01 peso, so like 1 centavo. And then the slides came out to 1,275 pesos. And then the one with the clothes and her P6000s and my clothes and jerseys, that total came out to 19,511 and 75 centavos. So the subtotal was 22,955 for all these items with the discount. We saved 3,443 pesos and 25 centavos. So the total amount was 19,511.75. I got a pair of Jordans, a pair of P6000s. She got 3 pairs of shoes and slides. No, 2 pairs of shoes, right? You got 2? Then you got 2 shoes, right? 2 shoes and a slides. And then I got 2 jerseys, a polo shirt, and then cargo shorts. And then she got 3 shirts, all for $526. Like, super steal. I mean, Philippines, baby, nothing like it. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I know it's a super long episode, but yeah, another episode coming up for Nike Binyan Nike factory store as well, because you know, we went there yesterday as well. So yeah, more videos coming up. Stay tuned. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and please follow me on social media at TikTok and Instagram at SubiKicks. I'm out of here. Much love, y'all. See y'all in the next episode. Love y'all. Peace.